Hi, Taylor here with Katana, and with our recent addition of serial tracking, I wanted to discuss how that affects our data import page and what it looks like on our templates. Now, serial tracking can only be applied to a finished product, so it's only going to affect our add new products template and our update existing products template. Now, I have our update existing products template pulled up. Let's click over into this tab and we'll review what changes have been made. With the addition of serial number tracking, our product tracking column I has been modified. Previously, it was a batch tracking column with the options yes or no. Now, this column has been modified to reflect product tracking. We now have three options for this column. We can use none to denote no product tracking. We have serial, and we have batch. We can use these text options to describe how we want to track these products. And this is the same on the Add New Products template as well. If you have any questions with our templates or with our data import options, please don't hesitate to reach out and check in next time for more updates. Thank you and have a great day.